What you're looking at right now is a channel that uploaded just 15 videos and completely blew up, hitting over 139,000 subscribers. Also, this channel is monetized, and honestly, the craziest part is that the creator isn't filming anything, isn't showing their face, and isn't spending thousands of dollars on a crazy studio setup. While everyone else is struggling to get a few hundred views, dealing with camera anxiety, and spending days editing, I figured out the exact system these massive channels are using. They are getting millions of views by mixing science, history, psychology, and storytelling, and the best part is that almost everything can be created using Claude AI. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact step-by-step process to build a viral faceless channel from scratch using mostly free AI tools. No more guessing what works, just professional content every single time. So here is what we're going to do today. We are using Claude AI as our main engine. And to make this super simple for you, I have actually put together a complete Google Doc with the exact prompt framework you need. You can find the link to that document in the description below. Trust me, this structured system is the secret sauce that most people skip, and it's going to save you hours of manual work. First things first, we need a topic. Instead of blindly guessing what people want to watch, grab the prompt number 1 from the doc and paste it into Claude AI. Within seconds, Claude doesn't just give you 20 ideas. It actually assigns a virality score to each one and explains exactly why it will perform well. Pick the one that stands out to you the most. Our next step is to write the script. For that, we need attention-grabbing story. Simply grab prompt number 2 and paste it into Claude.ai. The amazing thing here is you can tell it exactly how long you want your video to be, whether you want a quick 900-word video or a massive 2,000-word deep dive. Alright guys, just hit generate button and Claude gives you a perfectly structured script with a killer hook, smooth transitions, and a conclusion designed to keep viewers watching until the very end. What used to take hours of research is now done in literally seconds. Now we need to bring this script to life with a voice. Simply head over to Google AI Studio. You can also use your preferred text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs or other AI. Here is a crucial tip. If your script is too long, then do not paste the entire script at once. Break it into smaller paragraphs so you have total control over the voice quality. Now preview a few voices and pick one that perfectly matches your channel's vibe and generate your audio. Okay, now comes the exciting part, and this is where most people get it completely wrong. We are going to turn this script into stunning visuals using prompt number 3. Simply copy it from the doc and paste that prompt into Claude AI. Paste your script all at once if it is short, and it will magically generate highly detailed image prompts for you. Now copy the prompt one by one and take those prompts over to a free image generator like Gemini or Flow AI. I know you guys are already smart enough to create images with prompts, so I will show you this one time, and then you can generate the rest on your own. Alright guys, make sure you set your aspect ratio to 16:9 so it perfectly fits a YouTube screen and hit generate. Repeat this until you have a gorgeous, consistent image for every single theme in your video. As you can see, I have generated all the images required for my script. Now simply download all PAL in high resolution, and before you leave the website, grab the prompt number 4 and do the same process and then generate an eye-catching thumbnail so you have a high click-through rate on your video. Finally, let's put it all together into a masterpiece. Open up InShot or CapCut or whatever video editor you use, then drop in your generated images in sequence and add the voiceover we have generated. Now, sync your images perfectly with the words by adjusting its duration. Add some cinematic transitions, zoom effects, and captions to make those static images feel dynamic and keep the viewer hooked. Once your video is exported, use prompt number 5 in Claude to generate a highly optimized title, an SEO-heavy description, and the perfect hashtags so your video actually gets pushed by the algorithm.
64 games, one champion. That's been the World Cup for the last 28 years. Clean, simple, and everyone understood it. This summer, 104 games, 48 teams, 12 groups, a round that didn't exist 2 years ago. And at least 4 teams will go home even though they didn't lose a single match. If that makes your head spin, good. Because once you actually see how this works, you'll realize it's either the smartest tournament redesign in football history or the most chaotic.
Let's start at the beginning.